right, so I am replacing the fabric, the screening in this patio door. I took out the old screen and it was tore. I've bought the new rubber stuff that will, I forget what you call it, it's gonna go in here. And then I have this tool, spleen. One side has a groove, the other side is rounded. So whenever you put this screening and then you take the spleen against the window screen, sounds like I'm saying the same thing, then you just run this along to tighten it up. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna go too tight because I think I need to tighten this up more, but I wanted to get this on tonight, do like a light check. This is part of the old screening and I need to unscrew the handles and put the screen behind here. The fabric, this is the roll of the fabric. The spleen, that's the vinyl spleen that I'm putting in. And it's tight enough for some pets and aluminum. Used to hold the screen into frame. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take a Phillips screwdriver. And it's kind of dark. Okay, so I'm going to take a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew this handle. Just to note, I've never replaced the screening on a patio sliding door before, so this is my first time seeing how you have to do the handle, and I'm just figuring it out as I go along. Okay. Put that aside and take off the rest of this. So this will lift up. And that piece will come off. Kind of turn it up. I'm in a hurry, so I don't really have time to make it perfect, unfortunately. Okay. And now we're going to match up. Kind of keep the fabric taut. Right? And we're just going to continue with this one instead of using our new spleen on this part, just because I want to help it to get it in here. Okay. Oh, I need my spleen tool. Okay, so you want to keep the fabric nice and straight. Sometimes you just kind of have to rock it, get it started. There we go. All right. At the end, we'll take the X-Acto knife and trim the rest. Okay, so I still have this side. I left excess over here. I'm going to hold it with my arm and start from a part that's like already in there. You have to, use some muscles to get that in there. Okay. I bet you like professionals just go. Usually, so you would take off your door, but I just don't have time. I tried to see how easy it was, and it didn't seem very easy. I just don't have time for that right now. It's after 10 o'clock. I'm going to get home, have to go to work, and I need this project to be done. Okay, so I'm going to come back over here All right, I'm not sure why the camera light didn't come on. Okay, let me see. Okay, so I just line this up, and then I'm gonna line, sorry guys, I'm gonna line this part. It would be better if I had some more lights. And tighten up that screw, tighten up again. See how that feels? Oh, very nice. Okay, there's that part. All right, guys, so you're not gonna believe this. So I measured, and I really felt like I got it at the right length, and look, it's short. So good thing I have extra fabric. I'll just cut this down and use it on the window. So I need to do this part again. Mistakes for the beginner. Okay, so we have tops and sides done, and now we have this excess. So what do? You take your X-Acto knife. You know, having to do this with one hand is really hard. So we're gonna try to do the best we can. Okay. See if it's even cutting. I'm going to get a new razor. A new razor. Don't want to cut the vinyl. You should be able to just like pull it down, right? Like fabric. Oh goodness. Okay, so I moved the razor blade around to the sharper side. Okay, so we're going to take the rest of this, trim that down. That didn't go off easy either. Yeah, getting kind of frustrated with it. Okay, I'm gonna fix this so I can get a nice straight It's not always easy when you're trying to do stuff in a hurry. Oh, wrong side. You need that caved one. It's got like a dual-sided wheel. See, it's got a groove. We should be able to just go straight down like that. Putting in my muscles here. Remember, this is the messed up one, so I'm going to be doing this again tomorrow, and I'm going to trim this up. Okay, well, my temporary fix is done. I was trying to get the flashlight to work. So, once you clean it all up, you'll have, like, now that I have a cleaner edge or a razor for tomorrow, I should be able to go through here and get a better cut. But it's 10:30 at night. This turned out pretty good. All right, but if you look back here, it looks good. Let me know in the comments if you like this type of content. Like and subscribe.